Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your very first account on NoodleSeed. It takes just a few minutes and by the end of it, you'll be set up, I promise. Let's jump right in. You just click on the click here button and follow along. It's demo time. We make your brand AI famous. If ChatGPT is the new storefront, we help you get on the shelf. Click Get Started now for free. You can choose to sign in instantly with your Google account or sign up using your email and password. You can also alternatively use the magic link. By typing your email, you will receive a link in your inbox. Open the email from NoodleSeed, click the sign in button, and then you'll be automatically signed in. Easy. Now here's where the fun starts. NoodleSeed will ask you for your website. You can definitely skip this step if you do not have one. You'll be able to manually fill in all information about your business in the next one. But if you do, NoodleSeed actually will take care of capturing everything on your website in just seconds and creates your AI app in minutes. Now, this is what I'm talking about. If you do not have a website, you'll need to fill in all of these information manually. If you do, it will be preset for you. As a Beamer, I just chose BMW as an example to show you how the onboarding phase goes. If you've entered your website, the brand colors are captured automatically. If not, you'll be able to set those for yourself. In this step, you'll be able to set your currency as well as add in your products and services for your customers. Last but not least, you'll be able to edit your logo and featured images and just, play around with your visual identity. And once you click on Create My App, you'll have to wait for a couple seconds only. Just like that, you have a preview of your own ChatGPT app and how it would look like for your customers. You can interact with it live on the preview and get the feel of it. And just like that, you're in. This is your NoodleSeed dashboard. From here, you can literally manage everything about your AI presence. You can see sections for your branding, business info, products and services, knowledge base, and we'll go deeper into all of those features in the future video. For now, the important thing is your account is set up and ready to move to the next stage. Thank you and see you very soon.